You're a human on Earth, trapped in this circle of time. I got 99 problems with humanity, and being a chaos being ain't one.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dream Wise here for another one. 101 Dalmatians. Remember, lovelifelife.com. Go get your spiritual tools. Also, become a Patreon family. I'm going to start dropping more exclusive spiritual videos in light. Patreon.com/lovelivelife. Link in the description. Thanks for the love. Even though y'all going to hate me for this one, I might have to watch it 101 times.
We've got the 15. Add them to the other puppies we've already stolen, and I have my cozy puppy coat.
In a Disney animation classic, Dalmatian Pongo is tired of his bachelor dog life. He spies lovely Perdita and maneuvers his master Roger into meeting Perdita's owner, Anita. The owners fall in love and marry, keeping Pongo and Perdita together too. After Perdita gives birth to a litter of 15 puppies, Anita's old school friend Cruella de Vil wants to buy them all. Roger declines her offer, so Cruella hires the criminal Bandun brothers to steal them so she can have a fur coat. Okay, so when you're looking at the title 101 Dalmatians, don't look at it as that 100th place, as there is only really 10 true numbers, and one of them being 0. 0 and 1s. 0 and 1s is a binary code, 1s and 0s, a computer code for creation. Everything in a computer can be expressed with these two numbers, these two magical numbers. They are called bits. This is the language of the computer. Computer stores, reads, and understands everything by the process of these bits. Now let's get to the real science. You are a cosmic computer, chaos being, creator. Symbolically speaking, 0 is the great mother, the creator, the vagina, mama, your black goddess. And 1 is your first thought, intelligence, penis, your black gods. So 0s and 1s together make up this matrix, or make up creation. This is how you manifest chaos beings, using this rhythmic. What is it exactly? Aset and Asar, Shakti Shiva, Yin and Yang. These latent masculine and feminine energies that are in us all. Your creating power. I can't tell y'all enough to go get the book Ancient Future. Just like Pongo and Perdita creating their first 15 Dalmatians. And we know we can't look at 15 as a standalone number. 1 + 5 is 6. 6 equals sex. Sex is creation. Creation is the whole thing we're trying to do down here on this earth plane. Creating a new idea, creating a child, creating our day. Chaos being, the magicians. We are constantly in creation mode. And from creating, we have that Christ consciousness energy. We are in that 13, that middle point, above the zodiacs. Now put y'all chaos beings hats on, because I'm about to take y'all for a ride. They adopt 84 dogs. 8 plus 4 is 12. Your human rulers, the Zodiacs. Disney wants you to stay in this 12, this circle of time. So you taking the original 15 Dalmatians, 6, and meshing them with these 84 other adopted Dalmatians, 12, the Zodiac? Nah, I don't think so. The original 15 plus the 84 makes 99. That means you're a human on Earth, trapped in this circle of time. I got 99 problems with humanity, and being a chaos being ain't one. Remember, we are above creation, above the gods. Perdita and Pongo make up the last 2. It takes 2 to tango, bringing it back to 101 or 2, which is the start of it all. Yin and Yang, cosmic force, chaos being, creator, masculine and feminine principles inside of us all. 13 is you, or what you're striving to reach, your God power. Tap in, chaotic beings. Dream wise.